Okay, I feed the birds every morning, and they've expected me to come out and feed them, and now they're coming to the window and looking in like the food thing's empty. Oh, there's another one. It's like there's no food. Can you come get us some? Can you come give us some food outside? Huh. You think these are babies?
Look at it.
I guess they're getting used to me coming out there because they don't act like they're afraid at all. Where's the bird food? You won't give us some?
Quit filming so go out and feed me.
That is so funny. Yeah, they do. They look like they're babies.
They might be learning to fly.
Yeah.
They're wasting. Because there was two big ones up there stuck to the screen while ago.
I'm like, you stay here. We'll go get the food and bring it back to you. We'll send this to Harper. Hey, babies. Yeah. They seem to be absolutely fearless. And they're right outside the window. They might just be babies and they can't get any further. No, actually they flew off.